What we have that most of our challengers don't is the potential of well-organized people locally and statewide, our members and our school communities. And that is why every one of us in this room matters in this equation. That's why every president, every site rep, every state council member, every cadre and committee member, and every staff member matters. Because our local sites and our communities are not going to magically organize themselves. No matter what your role, we all need to be organizers in this union, and we all need to do it now. We all matter because our members matter, and we know our schools matter. And when we row together, when we organize, we are as strong as any change maker in this state. Our potential to meet this challenge at the local, state, and national level with our organized people is the equalizer. If we work together on the fundamentals to make that happen. None of us are bystanders, none of you are bystanders, and that's why you are in this room today. Each of us needs to provide leadership at the state and local level. In each of your school sites, promoting activism and promoting the basic fundamentals that will maximize our capacity for organizing our members and our larger communities. We need coordinated and aggressive organizing as the backbone of what we do and who we are. Bargaining wins happen because of organizing. Campaign wins happen because of organizing. Strong unions and communities are the result of organizing. We need every one of our schools in every one of our locals to be connected, to be organized and active around local and statewide campaigns. We need every one of our leaders and union staff to knock on doors and talk with our school neighbors, our communities, about the education issues that matter to them and how we can address them. We need to be out at every one of our school sites talking with members to learn what they care deeply about and asking them to come to a bargaining action, to attend a union meeting, to volunteer to talk with voters, and to get involved with their colleagues in the union. That is how we win together. That is the power of organized people that not only gives us the capacity to defend against attacks and challenges like privatization and vouchers, it also provides us with the capacity to move an agenda forward that provides better pay and benefits, better teaching conditions that benefit our members and the students they teach, and yes, maybe even helps to defend and expand voting rights, win back reproductive rights for every woman in this country, and bend the arc in the fight for the environment so that kids in school today have a healthy planet to live on when they have their own kids in public schools.